In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly import and export data on monday.com. This can really help you streamline your workflow and ensure your data management is as efficient as possible. So let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to go to monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main dashboard, which houses all your boards. This is your control center where most of your project management magic happens. Now, to begin the import process, look for the blue plus icon, which stands out on the interface. Clicking on this icon will reveal a menu. Here, you'll want to select the Import Data option. This is the gateway to bringing outside data into your monday.com environment. After you select Import Data, the next step is to choose the file type. In our case, we need to click on Excel, CSV. These are common file formats that a lot of different applications can export. So if you've got spreadsheets or data from another tool, this is how you migrate that data into monday.com. Once you've selected the file type, you'll need to click on Browse. This will open a window where you can navigate through your computer's files, locate the file you want to import, and select it. It's crucial to ensure the file is formatted correctly to avoid any import errors. Next up, within the monday.com interface, you might encounter 3 dots in the upper right corner. These are your options. You'll want to click on them and find the Import Data option once again. Selecting this will trigger the import process, allowing your chosen file to be brought into the system. After your file has been imported, you might notice a drop-down menu beside the New Item button. Here, selecting Import Items will ensure that your data becomes part of the board's setup as individual items, maintaining the organized structure you're aiming for. Moving on to exporting. If you need to take your project data out of monday.com and perhaps into a spreadsheet for further analysis or sharing, it's straightforward. Return to the upper right corner, click those 3 dots again, and this time go to More Actions. Under this menu, look for and select Export Board to Excel. This will compile your board's data into an Excel file, making it easy to manipulate or distribute. Finally, click Export to download the file to your device. It's a simple process, but incredibly effective in ensuring your data is always in the right format, wherever you need it. And that's a wrap on how to import and export data in monday.com. I hope you find these steps helpful in maintaining an efficient and organized workflow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy project managing.